What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Tru Truefi, which has hit a huge green candlestick guys. As you guys can see here, it is up just over 37% in the last 24 hours, currently trading just under 9 cents. So we're going to be going through what is next for Tru Truefi. Why has it pumped up so much? Is it time to buy it? Is it way too late for that? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher later on in 2024? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term this year, looking at, is this a crypto to be worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But again, just to point this out, we are at a very critical point, as you guys can see, getting very close to the resistance target to head into the green zone. So two things can happen here guys. Once it gets to the resistance level, which it will do pretty much soon, it would either break out into the green zone or it would bounce back down into the red zone, is what I'm expecting. But I'll get into all of that stuff later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Tru Truefi, which is here in purple at just about 8 cents, and the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. But again, let's not forget, the last 2 days we have seen quite a drop from the crypto, and right now it has slowly starting to recover. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line going in opposite direction to each other. The blue line, as you guys can see, is slanting towards the negative direction, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So essentially both the lines are going opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Tru Truefi over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be hovering around the 9 cents target, which I do agree with. However, I'm expecting more green candlesticks over the coming hours, potentially getting closer to the 10 cents target before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 9 cents by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected, even though we are likely to see both green and red candles. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but it's not as realistic as it seems because of how steep it's looking. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Tru Truefi to be hovering around the 9 cents target. Between 9 and 10 cents is what I'm expecting. So essentially, yes, still at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm also expecting red days in between, so do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, so it's not going to be a major increase in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we are looking quite skeptical. Orange lines looking bearish and the blue lines looking bullish. So once again, they are both going in the opposite direction to each other. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-May 2024, I'm expecting Tru Truefi to have gone through an overall increase in value, heading between 13 to 14, well, getting closer to the 15 cents target is where I'm expecting Tru Truefi to be trading at in May, so in the next 2 months time. Reason for that is we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, not just Bitcoin or TrueFi, but the market in general, which I will keep you guys updated on with more updates and news on how the Bitcoin halving is going to have an impact on the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications for that as well. But at the moment, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from TrueFi over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Moving on to the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are getting very close to the resistance target, and yes guys, I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target, bounce back into the red zone, and potentially break out into the green zone in April, May is what I'm expecting, and heading up to around 12 to 13 cents by mid-year, so around May, June, and heading into the dark green zone is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, so make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel as well. So before I go any further, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. I do have a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10, you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only as well. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So just to give you guys a brief explanation on what happens once you sign up, is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do predictions and analysis on as well. And again, don't worry about the figures here on Bitcoin because this screenshot is nearly 2 years old. But yeah, you get the gist of what happens. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to TrueFi. So the trading volume has gone up nearly 300% in the last 24 hours, making it $41 million, guys. Reason it's gone up is quite obvious. The value of TrueFi has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. So more and more people have been trading the crypto, and in return, the value of the crypto has also been increasing as well. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.